Welcome to Curitiba. Curitiba is the capital of the state of Paraná in Brazil, known as a pioneer in sustainable urban development and has a high quality of life. Known for its innovative transportation systems, including the world's first bus rapid transit or BRT system, Curitiba also excels in waste management, green urban planning, and city parks. The city has a population of around 1.9 million people as of 2021 and is the eighth most populous city in Brazil. Although the city enjoys mild weather in autumn, the winter months, June to August, can be quite cold by Brazilian standards. Overall, Curitiba is often described as a pleasant and practical destination with reliable infrastructure and a high quality of life compared to its costs. Curitiba was not a prosperous city and faced significant demographic changes in the 20th century. Its success in providing housing for its residents is impressive. However, the cities that benefit most are those in developing countries that are experiencing a rapid growth. At night, the thermometer can drop below 5 degrees Celsius or 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Daily highs rise to 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. However, on cooler days, lows can also reach an average of 7 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Curitiba has the lowest rainfall of the year in the winter months, only 70 to 100 millimeters or 2.8 inches to 3.9 inches.